Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what's using space and act immediately. Open Drive and view the storage meter. Once done, sort files by size to reveal the biggest offenders. Delete unneeded large files, then empty the trash so space actually frees up. Make sure to check Gmail and Photos for shared storage use, and remove redundant backups in Google One. This fast sweep will usually reclaim substantial gigabytes, giving you breathing room before deeper steps. Once you have initial space, focus on relocating or compressing remaining bulk. Use Google Takeout to export whole folders or download ZIPs of multiple files. This preserves data while freeing cloud quota. You can move archived content to an external drive, NAS, or another cloud provider, and then delete originals in Drive. Also, convert large Google Docs and slides to PDF or compressed formats, which reduces storage used. Make sure to verify downloads before deletion to avoid accidental data loss. You finalize the fix by choosing long-term strategy and checking edge cases. If you regularly hit limits, upgrade storage via Google One. Otherwise, perform an account audit for shared or orphan files and persistent backups consuming space. After deleting or moving items, sign out, clear browser cache, and sign back in to refresh quota display. If the quota still appears incorrect, retry on another device. When necessary, contact Google support with exact file lists and timestamps for resolution. This step resolves sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.